I'm quite squeaker. Right, this is a good trail. This gravelly spot.
Yeah.
Look at this. We're one with nature.
That's a fairy home.
A fairy home?
Yeah.
Noble View Stewards Council.
Yeah. That back at the front, it said that there was a few fairy homes on the trail.
You hear the birds?
It scared me.
We're on the trail. Powering through. We're gonna get to the waterfalls and we're gonna take a little dip. I think we will. Whew. It's a nice, good little walk. It's peaceful out here, though. You can't hear nothing but the birds and some bugs. One with nature. Guys, look at this freaking tree right here. This tree looks like it fell down from, you see that? It's like, it's split up there, and look at it, it's just on the trail. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, look at it. You can see the water over here. You see it?
Yeah.
There's a little pool of water here, but that's not the area I'm talking about. It's like a little bit closer. That's pretty legit, though. That's nice. You hear the water?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Look at that tree.
Which one?
Along it.
Oh, yeah. It like comes down here. Awesome. Alright, I got my pants off, and now I got put my trousers. Do my trousers. Alright, leaving the hat. Leaving the shirt. And now, we are official. We're ready to jump in the water. Look at this water, y'all. Look at that. So we're gonna walk over here, get to there, and then we're gonna jump right in. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. All right, everything is in the bag. Oh, put the jeans in there. No? You want me to? All right, then they're gonna be inside the bag. Well, they're probably gonna smell like smoke. Whatever. Better than nothing. I got all the stuff laid out like that, so that when we get out of the water, we just come right to the stuff. You ready? Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. Ready? Oh.
I'm scared.
Oh. Oh. You better hurry up. I'm freezing.
I don't see myself making it.
You can't. It's so deep, baby. I promise you. Oh, woohoo! You're gonna get your feeling, baby. This is fun.
I'm scared I can't read.
You see how far I went? I didn't go that far. Right?
I'm not a good jumper.
You okay? You okay? You need something?
No, it's deep in my leg.
Yeah. Go. Go to the.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's nice.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so shaky. I'm so cold. I'm so cold.
Woo!
Wait, I just have to get it out.
That's okay.
Oh my god.
Peace sign. Say hi to the camera. Oh.
Oh, I went so much forward.
You did, and that was perfect.
I didn't.
Wasn't it fun?
Oh, it fucking hurt.
Oh. Oh, you mean like you kind of almost flopped into it?
I did. No way. Holy shit, it's so cold.
I told you it was gonna be ice cold, but your body's gonna adjust so fast.
No,
Woohoo!
I don't know.
Pitcher Brook Falls 2025. Alrighty. Oh, that was the falls, yo. I'm so happy I came back after a long time. Water is so cold, but it's so nice. So we're gonna get dressed and we're gonna head on the trail. This is the one I primarily grab onto. I think we can go through there, right? Oh no, you think we go higher and then through there?
Yeah.
Is that a fire? Fireplace? Alright, let's go, yeah, this way, and then we'll cut through. I should have done one of these when we got there, but it's okay, I'm doing it now. Alright, well, that was fun. We're being a little quiet, I guess, because some dude just actually walked up to our spot and, like, too stealthily. He didn't say hi, he didn't introduce himself, he was just there. So that was kind of very creepy. So we're gonna go. Yeah, he didn't even say hi. It's like you wouldn't.
Just turned around and he was there.
Yeah, like we didn't hear him walk up to the spot. Trying to get my wife out of here. It's like a whole damn, like a goddamn mission. Fuck, it's a fucking mission impossible apparently. It's like you have a side objective and you're trying to get 100% on the level. Save yourself, save your wife too. To get 100% on the level. And I wanted to grab my knife, just in case I have that ready. I want to do that still, but I'm gonna do it further down because I don't want to be caught off guard. If something happens, you never know, you know? So it wasn't in that little bag, huh?
No, man. Just a multiple.
Well, I got promoted to man, so I guess I won't try to 100% the mission.
No, babe. What? Want me to hold this?
Yes.
And go there?
No, it's just stand right there, babe. You don't gotta do shit.
I thought you said go here because it's flatter.
No, yeah, right here. It's flat. Like, as in, you can just sit and you can just stand. Here. Hold this for me real quick. You don't even have to do that. You can just do that. I just want to grab the knife. Man.
I'm a woman.
So that person showed up again. Mind you, we were still taking pictures in the forest, so we took our time, but we were still very creeped out and just hoped this person would eventually leave, since we had let them pass us on the trail. Although right at the end, somehow we ended up in front of them again. And I don't care what you have to say anymore, you are a weirdo. Too many red flags for me not to call you out. But we still had a good time despite that scary situation. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please consider subscribing for more content, leaving a like, and also let me know in the comment section below what you thought about the person and the stranger in this video. Am I crazy, or do you guys agree with my red flags or my gut? Let me know. But that's the end of the vlog, and yeah. I don't know why, for whatever reason, this ending part, my audio cut out. My microphone must have just not been working. But like I said, we still had a good time, and the evening after that was, it was the ride out of the area was still weird. But I'm not even gonna talk about that. We eventually the night ended, and we had a good time. So look at me do my outro. But anyways, love you guys. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.